Good afternoon and welcome. It's Alicia, your favorite realtor, and I'm here at Bellah Landing in Stockbridge, Georgia. And I'm here with Miss Nina, and she's going to tell us about their newest floor plan and model home. What you got, Nina?
Hey you guys, I am standing in front of our model home, which consists of 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. This home consists of 4 side bricks, side entry garages, stainless steel appliances, hardwoods throughout the home. The home is a beautiful open concept owner suite on the main, in which we have a high demand for. You guys need to come out and see us.
All right, let's take a look inside, shall we?
Yes.
All right, let's take a look inside this amazing floor plan. Wow, look at those hardwood floors. Nice. Is this the flex area?
This is the flex room.
Awesome. You can make this a formal living area, an office, another family room. Let's take a look inside. Awesome. So you have a nice large half bath here. Tons of space. Nice. Wow, what an open floor plan. Absolutely love all the hardwoods throughout this living space. Huge kitchen island. Is this home total electric, Deborah?
This home is total electric.
Wow, look at this amazing fireplace. Can you see yourself curled up by this fire reading a book, watching your TV, which already has the pre-wire? Nice. Tons of natural light. Eat-in breakfast area. Look at this amazing kitchen island. You can seat several people here. Make lots of cookies. Look at these stainless steel appliances, very nice. Granite with a tile backsplash. Tons of cabinets. Let's take a look over here. Wow, look at this pantry. Huge. Wow, lots of space for all your dry goods, couponers, delight. Let's see what else we have. What's this area, Deborah?
This area can be used several ways. You can put a desk there and use it as a small office, or you can use it as a butler's pantry and make that flex room your dining room.
Nice, that would be amazing. Wow, what a spacious laundry room. This is amazing with a window. Nice. All right, let's take a look outside. This home features a covered patio. Let's take a look. Nice covered patio with recessed lights. Nice large backyards, flat, easy to mow. All these homes are four-sided brick, side entry garage for most all of them. Nice. This open concept floor plan is just amazing. Let's take a look upstairs. Actually, let's go see the master bedroom. This is a master on the main. You have a coat closet here for extra storage. And here's your master suite on the main level. Wow, look at that ceiling. Tons of natural light. Ceiling fan included. Let's take a look at this master bathroom, shall we? Tile floors. Double vanity with marble top. Separate water closet, very spacious. Not claustrophobic at all. Wow, look at this master closet. This walk-in is amazing. Tons of space. Nice large garden tub for you to soak and read your book and enjoy. You also have an extra large tile shower with a shelf. Very nice. Awesome. Very spacious. All right, let's take a look upstairs. Let's see what we got. All right. Let's see what we got upstairs. Wow, this is huge. Oh my gosh. Is this the loft area, Deborah?
Yes, this is. This loft could be used as a pool table area and a second living room.
Wow. Tons of natural light and windows. Recessed. All the way open around. Let's see what we got. All right, over here we have a bedroom. About to get decorated. Let's see what kind of closet we got. Oh, look at this closet. Okay. Big walk-in closet. And this room features a Jack and Jill bathroom. Double vanity, of course, marble. And this room is adjoined with another bedroom, and they share this bathroom. And what's great about this bathroom is that the shower tub combo and toilet is behind its own door. So that way, if one person, look at that space. If one person is taking a shower, the other person can definitely still brush their teeth. Okay? And it features its own linen closet, very spacious. So you can keep all the linens for this bathroom in one place, shared between these two bedrooms. Love it. Let's take a look at this bedroom. All right. Another spacious bedroom. And this is the one that Jack and Jill's with that full bathroom. Walk-in closet. All right, let's see what else we got. Now this is open to your loft area. Huge, huge space. Let's see what we got over here. Another bedroom, okay? Huge, spacious bedrooms. Walk-in closet. And open to this loft area. Let's see what we have over here. Another bathroom. Look at that. Full bath, double vanity. And this bathroom also has the separate tub and shower combo behind that door. So that way, if someone is using these vanities, they can separate. How do you like that? Love that. And another bedroom over here, okay? Look at these bedrooms, y'all. Let's see what we have over here. A walk-in closet or a walk-in closet, okay? Wow. Very spacious. Lovely walk-in closets. So if you're looking for a floor plan that is a master on the main, lots of bedrooms and bathrooms, spacious upstairs, this might be the one for you. Now this is the model home here at Bellah Landing Phase 3. Look at this loft area, y'all. Come on. Look at that. So if you'd like a personal tour of this home or any floor plans that you've seen, please do reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. And this is your final tour.